4 check. तुम लोग ही लेके आते हो पता नहीं कहाँ से. Playing in the IPL was something that I was not able to crack to a large extent for the first 3 seasons. वो sledging कर रहा था मेरे को स्टार बना हुआ था. मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ. फिर ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेज करने को. गलत फहमी देख लो. This was not out of ego then. This is not out of ego now.
It's time for the IPL to become an adult. Adult matlab it's turning 18. So when it's turning 18, I think we should talk about this with jersey number 18. I think it is 18 calling 18. 18!
Yes, sir.
There he is. 18 calling 18. Virat Kohli. भाई जान है बंदा IPL की. And 18 साल हो गए हैं. एक ही रंग में दिखा है बंदा. This is about making you realize how old you've become.
Thank you very much for reminding me I'm 36 years old.
No, but let me just tell you. अगर IPL जिस साल शुरू हुई थी, उस साल कोई बच्चा पैदा हुआ था, तो अब वो कॉलेज में जा रहा है. It's a long time.
It's a long journey. One that we have seen grow, evolve, and become this absolutely amazing spectacle. Honestly, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था जब शुरू हुई थी IPL that it could get to a stage like this. But 18 years and rolling, and every year you feel the same excitement, if not more, which is a massive credit to the league, the way it's organized, the teams, the competitiveness, the professionalism, top notch.
From the first one to this one, opening day, does that bring out the same excitement that a young, 19-year-old Virat Kohli felt in 2008 and now a 36-year-old feels in 2025?
See, honestly, पहला जो साल था ना, that for us was exciting in terms of unexpected things happening. So 2020 is, we hadn't played a lot. दूसरी चीज franchise cricket, the opportunity to play with different players from all over the world that we looked up to. We were buzzing and how.
You came straight from the Under-19 World Cup, in fact.
Yes. And when the auction happened, we were in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, and we were sold for first-class cricketers जो थे 20 लाख का उनका लिमिट थी. मतलब हम पागल हो गए कॉरिडोर में कि 20 लाख रुपए मिल गए. That was the emotion behind it. और फिर opening ceremony हुई. Then you meet these great cricketers.
Who were you in awe of? Tell me that.
I was...
Because I think there are very few that you've been in awe of.
I think in that... I mean, to be honest, जो मैं पहली बार जब मैं खेला हूँ, I was in awe of everyone. मैं तो कभी किसी से मिला नहीं था. So, Zach I had met a couple of times with UVPA and everyone because we played for North Zone. So, UVPA and me kind of knew each other from before. Even playing with Anil Bhai for the first time, Rahul Bhai. All these legends of the game. For me, it was like, man, this is... like I'm in fantasy land, It was, the feeling was that. And then obviously the pressures came along with that because I felt like I knew my game is not up to the mark, to perform at this level. And I had to prove myself. So that pressure was there. That eventually caught up with me in the first season. But yeah, the excitement was tremendous.
पहला ही जो मैच था, उसमें आके you're probably watching Brendan McCullum play one of the finest T20 knock. Tell me the moment opening ceremony के बाद getting onto the field, इतने बड़े crowd में had you played before?
No, never. I had never played in a crowd like that, in an environment like that, plus watching that kind of an innings. But the most interesting part for me, which I have never spoken about, is that Ishant and me played all our cricket together.
साथ में,
right? तो मैं उसको बहुत बार खेला था. And वो मैच में जब वो मेरे को bowling कर रहा था, मुझे लग रहा था ये अलग level का bowler bowling कर रहा है. That was the pressure. Now you understand environment से क्या होता है. अगर मैं उसे नेट्स में खेलूंगा तो I won't be intimidated. But वहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार मैं ईशांत को मार ही नहीं पाऊंगा. Because माहौल है, प्रेशर है, एक विकेट गिरी हुई है, तो exactly. तो मैं तब मुझे समझ आया कि प्रेशर होता क्या है और एनवायरनमेंट की क्या कैपेसिटी होती है to make a player feel under pressure where you know a guy inside out, फिर भी वो लग रहा है कि नहीं मार पाऊंगा.
Superb. I'm going to let you get this shoot going. We're doing this 18 calling 18 campaign. He's a very busy man.
लेकिन
फिर पकड़ लेंगे. Over to you, director. He's yours. You're going to be stunned by how quickly he'll finish it. Please leave some time for me.
Okay, cool. I'm looking at all these cricketers and I'm like, कहाँ गया हो यार? स्टार बना हुआ था. मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ.
18 calling 18 is now a little settled. This is not how bowlers feel when this man is on song. They don't feel settled at all. But I'm going to take you to the very young, your first walkout, Virat. और उसके लिए हमने सोचा कि थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक होने के लिए लैपटॉप के साथ माउस भी लेके आते हैं।
तेरी
एआई के ज़माने में माउस के साथ हम प्ले करेंगे, जुल्फों में ईशांत शर्मा लहराते हुए।
Ishan Sharma has picked up a wicket.
This is obviously the first wicket he got, and then you were going to walk out.
Yeah.
This is your captain. They had runs on board.
Yeah.
You and Ishant are obviously so close. Was there any conversation around the time? इस मैच के आसपास कोई बातचीत दोनों में?
नहीं, हम लोग we were staying in different hotels, the two teams, so there was not much conversation in this game. But हाँ, वो sledging वैजिंग कर रहा था मेरे को, like seriously. थोड़ा सा अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आया था, नया हेयर कलर कराया था, तो थोड़ा सा स्टार बना हुआ था। मैं कहा तेरा साइड में आ, तेरे को मैं बताता हूँ। But all fun and games. A lot of pressure in this game I felt because I'd never played as you asked me before in front of a packed stadium like this before.
How did you feel when you walked out? I mean, obviously this was focusing on Rahul Dravid going all the way back, and then आपको हम strike पे देखते हैं. When you walked out to bat, इतने लोग, शोर गुल, माहौल अलग,
कोई शोर नहीं मचाता था।
Nervous? तितलियां पेट में?
हाँ, मुझे था कि यार इतनी बड़ी क्राउड है, मैच वैच हो रहा है, और मेरे लिए कोई तब शोर वोर थोड़ा मचाएगा।
नहीं, पर माहौल जो बना हुआ था, इतने हजार लोग, did that make you nervous at any point?
I mean, of course. Again, first game now, I was telling you about the build-up. Ki you're playing with these players you've always seen on TV, or now you're in the game. Now you're actually playing a game with them, which is at this level in front of so many people. तो मैं अपनी टीम में तो था ही, then opposition also. I'm looking at all these cricketers and I'm like, कहाँ गया हूँ यार? Like, you know, that kind of intimidating feeling was there. So yeah, definitely I felt a lot of pressure.
Take you through it. Let's see a young Virat Kohli on strike. दादा बात कर रहे हैं शाद से. Ricky Ponting is on the field. All the biggies, giants of the game.
McCullum was keeping. I mean, it was honestly, it was. I was really, really nervous. मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैं guard mark कर रहा था, and I was like,
there.
हाँ. मतलब मैं सिर्फ, you see, I was looking at the crowd only, मतलब कि इतने सारे लोग हैं. Different experience, very, very different. And I was using 5 because Cameron White was in the team then. He used to use 18. So
PDM का bat.
Yeah, good old days.
Zinc cream के साथ headshot.
यार ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया, कभी किसी ने मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं चेंज करने को? ये डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट का मेरा हेडशॉट डाला होता आईपीएल में.
Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take you to your first half century.
This was in South Africa.
हाँ.
Yeah, that I remember.
कितना फर्क था, पहला आईपीएल हो गया था, गेटिंग इनटू द अदर आईपीएल, बाय देन यू हैड आल्सो मेड योर ओडीआई डेब्यू. आपने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट भी खेल लिया था 2008 अगस्त, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
तो हुआ क्या, फॉर आरसीबी फॉर द फर्स्ट 3 years आई डिड नॉट प्ले इन द टॉप ऑर्डर अ लॉट. मेरे को नीचे बैटिंग मिलती थी. इवन हियर आई थिंक आई माइट हैव वॉक्ड इन एट 6 और वॉक्ड इन एट 5, आई एम नॉट श्योर. But yeah, playing in the IPL was something that I was not able to crack to a large extent for the first 3 seasons. I would say, the impactful knock here and there I used to play. So, see again, 4 down. I walked in at 6. So I was playing different roles for the first 3 years. Ye wali IPL was still better for me because those pitches suited my kind of game. The ball was coming onto the bat and I could play my shots. So it was a interesting period in my career, I would say. From 2010 onwards, then I started performing a little better. My career in the IPL kind of grew in the first 3 years. Uske baad 2011 onwards, then I started playing at 3 regularly.
At 3 regularly. Yeah. So yahan tak how many you played? 16 matches, 179.
So not a great record at all. Yeah, I do. I think I played decently. But उस टाइम पे भी यार, मतलब आईपीएल में there used to be this, जो अभी भी फील होता है ना, this electric feeling and this pressure, वो पहले भी फील होता था हमको, but not to the extent of every game. 1 odd game, 2 odd games, but अभी तो it's become way too competitive.
पर ये 50 लगा के कुछ फर्क आया?
Of course, confidence. Yeah, of course, your confidence levels go up because एक level of cricket तो है, of course you know that, you can feel it, you can sense it. So when you perform there, it feels great. It feels like yes, you've done something significant.
उसके बाद पहला प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच
ये कब था? 2011 में
दिल्ली के अगेंस्ट.
हाँ,
दिल्ली में आई थिंक दिस वाज इन गैली एज वेल, राइट? ये तो अपना ही ग्राउंड है. शी लाइक योर फर्स्ट आंसर, इफ आई रिमेंबर.
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं क्या बोला था मैंने. तुम लोग ही लेके आते हुए पता नहीं कहाँ से.
भाई रखे हुए आर्काइव में.
Come along, Virat. Very well played today. We're actually, as we speak, on television showing some of your shots. It was as well as I've seen you bat.
Well, to be honest, I didn't plan to bat like that when I went in, but I started hitting the ball well, and I took charge from Chris. So that was the plan in the middle, that he could play himself in, and I could go for my shots because I was hitting it well.
Chris could play himself in. Wow.
Exactly the point. मैं सोच रहा था मेरी आस्क में क्या है इस आंसर में ऐसा
गलत फहमी देख लो.
बट ये गलत फहमी है कॉन्फिडेंस है. I would play so Chris could bat himself in.
यार पहले ना इतना मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ जब से ये सोशल मीडिया का बूम हुआ है ना, तो ये जो एनालिसिस होने लगा है ना बंदे का खुद की बातों का ही, that has become like way too twisted.
Yeah.
This was, मैं कुछ झूठ नहीं बोला मैंने.
Yeah.
Like this used to be the, ठीक है यार, if I am taking charge, I can take charge.
But that's exactly what's fascinating for me, because by now you've grown into someone who feels ki I am the one who'll go on to do it.
Yeah, but if you look at how things pan out, like if I play now, we just recently played that Champions Trophy game. So if Shreyas is taking charge, Shreyas is taking charge. मेरे को this was not out of ego then. This is not out of ego now. उस टाइम पे if I am in
Game
flow,
sense है.
हाँ game sense. अगर मैं flow में हूँ, I will take initiative. अगर कोई और एक different role play कर रहा है, he will take initiative. तो इसमें ये नहीं है कि मैं किसी को नीचा दिखा रहा हूँ या आज मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार मेरे अंदर ability नहीं है. It's just understanding of the game, which is something that I always had a lot of pride in. कि I want to play according to the situation of the game.
And I mean that's something that's fueled you, Virat, to great heights. IPL ने आपको कितना challenge किया है? Just IPL, इसका competitive level, how much is that? And in a good way. I'm not saying challenge you in a bad way, but to just be a step ahead. इतनी सारी teams, इतने top quality cricketers. Have there been moments that you think that it's also helped you just take that level up?
Yes. It challenges you very differently because of the way the tournament functions. It's not like a bilateral series or a small tournament. It's a large tournament. बहुत दिन चलता है. So every week you're placed differently in the table. So that brings different challenges, which as a cricketer fuels you because it stimulates your competitiveness in very different ways. So अगर आप टॉप पे हो तो आपको टॉप पे मेंटेन करना है. अगर आप नीचे हो तो you have to have extra drive to turn it around. अगर आप in between हो, जैसे 5 में से 3 मैच जीतने हैं और एक हार गए तो दैट प्रेशर स्टार्ट्स बिल्डिंग. तो दिस जो डायनेमिक नेचर है ना इस टूर्नामेंट की, वो कहीं भी आपको नहीं मिलती. और जब हर हफ्ते आपकी सिचुएशन अलग है एज अ प्लेयर, एज अ टीम. तो यस, आईपीएल्स चैलेंज मी फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव एंड ऑब्वियसली इट हैज urged me to improve or keep improving on my skill sets in T20 cricket.
I'm just going to do a quick rapid fire with you. We've got 18 on 18. While the rapid fire comes, I'm going to ask you, और मैं किसी मसाले के लिए I just want to really know it because अलग-अलग माहौल भी बनते हैं. And we know RCB in terms of just is one of the most popular franchises, sporting franchises in the world. Which contest do you enjoy the most? There's a lot of there are very healthy rivalries. MICSK में पता है कितनी बड़ी हो गई है. We like RCB versus KKR. RCB लखनऊ में बड़ा मजा है. Which one do you enjoy the most? Which one is the one for you? RCB के साथ.
I think the most this is very RCB जो हमारा तो ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब we are kind of engrossed in our own situation. तो हमारे लिए the magnitude of a particular game in the season becomes way more than the opposition itself. But I would say one team that we've historically, I felt the most intense games is playing CSK in Bangalore.
In Bangalore.
क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो of course चेन्नई के fans होते हैं. Bangalore में CSK से खेलना because a lot of fans from Chennai are also there.
Yeah.
और वो फिर वहाँ पे टेंशन हो जाती है because वहाँ पे उनका क्या स्टेडियम में पूरे सीएसके के फैंस होते हैं. यहाँ पे हम बैंगलोर में फिर भी पीपल आर आ जाओ देख लो. वहाँ पे तो पूरा है कि नहीं भाई येलो ही है, घुसने नहीं देंगे. सो हमारे फैंस इतने नहीं आते वहाँ पे. एंड सीएसके फैंस ऑल्सो ट्रैवल इन ह्यूज नंबर्स एज यू नो. सो दे बाय टिकट्स वेरी अर्ली. तो उनका एक पूरा सेक्शन ना पूरा वो लोग ले लेते हैं. अब वहाँ पे अंदर एक माहौल चल रहा होता है सीएसके आरसीबी एंड देन ऑब्वियसली द गेम ऑल्सो gets very intense and competitive. So, wo environment I would say is the most exciting that I've been a part of.
Yeah, super. We love those games.
How can it be 8,004?
Ask you to be a little quicker with your answer.
Was it Herschel Gill?
Okay, 18 on 18.
Yeah.
Against which team did you make your Tata IPL debut?
KKR.
Who was your first captain in the Tata IPL?
Rahul Dravid.
ये कहीं ना बड़े easy question है, so I'm going to just ask you to be a little quicker with your answer. ठीक है? Can you name all the captains you've played under in the Tata IPL?
Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble, Kevin Peterson, Daniel Vittori. अच्छा अभी तक के
अभी तक के
Faf.
हाँ. Which Tata IPL team did you score your first 50 against?
Deccan Chargers.
Year?
2009.
Who was your first wicket in the tournament?
First wicket. Was it Herschel Gibbs? No. Ravi Teja.
No. Deccan Chargers 2009.
वेणुगोपाल राव. एडम गिलक्रिस्ट.
प्लेइंग 11 में तो एक तो निकल जाएगा.
अरे यार हैदराबाद में ली थी.
श्रीलंकन.
Chamara De Silva. नहीं.
Chamara Silva.
Chamara Silva.
Chamara Silva.
Chamara Silva.
Against which team did you make your captaincy debut?
Ooh, captaincy debut was 2013, right?
11.
11? हैं? मुझे याद ही नहीं है यार.
Stand in any game?
Was I? I don't remember honestly.
Rajasthan Royals.
Oh.
What is the highest score in a Tata IPL match?
ये भी मुझे याद नहीं है. 108?
ना, ज़्यादा.
ज़्यादा?
दो scores हैं.
113. Kings 11, yeah. 113.
And 113 against? You got two 113s.
113 against RR.
Correct.
And 113 against Kings 11. हाँ.
Yeah. 2016 क्या थे वो? हाँ, Kings.
Yeah, Kings.
In which year did you lead RCB to the final?
2016.
Against which team did you score your fastest Tata IPL 100?
Kings 11.
You remember the balls?
47.
Correct. In which year did you become the full-time captain? I think you answered that.
2013.
Earlier. Yeah. Against which team did you score your first ever 100?
First ever 100 was Gujarat Lions
Well done.
in Rajkot. Yeah.
How many Tata IPL 100s have you scored?
9? 8. 8.
हम निकल गया 9 तो फिर हो सकता है जिस दिन एक क्लिप चले उसी दिन आ जाए. At which stadium have you scored the most runs?
Chinnaswamy.
In which Tata IPL season did you win the orange cap for scoring the most runs? Which seasons?
16 and 24.
To date, how many runs have you scored in the tournament? This is obviously before the start of the tournament.
9,000 something.
8,004.
8,004. Okay.
8,004. Which batter have you scored the most runs in partnerships?
AB.
पता है कितने रन? Sample size फिर भी 3,123.
Partnership runs.
Partnerships. Boss.
Okay.
What's the highest partnership?
What was it? 221 against Gujarat Lions?
229.
229, sorry. 229.
And against which team did you complete your milestone 8,000 runs?
8,004. So must be the last game against Chennai.
RR.
RR?
RR.
How can it be 8,004? Last game we played was... Oh yes, RR, yes.
It was RR.
In Ahmedabad, yes. That's right. The eliminator.
Dill is still under CSK. VK, here's hoping you have a cracker of a tournament.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
to you and to RCB, to the new captain and everyone.
Cheers.
See you on the field, mate.
Thank you very much.